Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the goals. The goals you have, personal goals, profession goals. We're trying to build the business here. So I'm masterminding the information, what I have learned from my mentors. And let me introduce myself. Then we'll talk about how everything works. What we give, we receive back. It's a law and it works everything according to the law. So what are you giving to the world? So whatever you are giving to the world, that is what you're receiving back. So how we can receive back what we want, and stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of this YouTube. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And my mentor, Bob Proctor, he taught this formation more than 60 years. He taught this formation all around the world, the CEO, the airlines, the insurance companies, or if you just stay in the house, as long as you got the goals. I'm not talking about any goal. I'm talking about the goals you really want from inside out. Something inspires you, something makes you happy, something motivates you as your purpose. So as long as you got the goals as your purpose, and this is what we are working around. So we are trying to build the business here. Whatever your business is, personal goals or professional goals. So this is what we are trying to build here. This formation, I used it and still using it every single day. It worked for me and still working for me. I'm still working around every day around my goals. My goals are summit goals. So hopefully you got summit goals also. So working around every single day around myself, on myself, with the laws and my own mind. So working together. So by now you should know everything works according to your own mind and the laws. They work together. So you have to know your laws. You have to know your own mind. So today I'm going to talk about the law of give and receive. So what is that law of give and receive? Law of give, whatever we are giving to the universe world, we are receiving it back. So how we can understand better, because most of the time or some of the experience, we're not getting what we want. So that means we're not giving to the universe world what we want to receive back. So giving is first you have to understand yourself. You have to start to give to yourself first. Yourself means you have to have a goals, then you have to grow according to your goals. So whatever you're programming yourself, and definitely you're going to start to give to the universe world also. So imagine that you got a business. So imagine, just like me, I got the business. Business means I'm helping all around the world, personal goals, professional goals, and I'm trying to help with the personal goals and professional goals. So thinking to result going to help to achieve the goals. So imagine that I am helping everyone around the world, and what I am giving through my business, how I'm helping others. First, I have to start giving to myself. Giving means I have to grow myself first. So whatever I'm giving every single day, the way I'm programming myself every single day, and that is gonna come from through me to help others. So whatever the business I'm doing, and first, I have to start programming. So first, I have to start giving to myself. Then I can help others better. So same with you. If whatever your business is, whatever your personal goals or professional goals, what are you giving to the universe world? And how you are giving to the universe world means how you are serving to the universe world. So I'm here, I'm talking to you, and I'm helping your goals. First, I have to help my goals to work around my goals first. Then only I can deliver better the information I have learned to others. First, I have to start working on myself first. Then I can do a better job. Then I can deliver the information better. So what I'm trying to say, whatever your job is, whatever your business is, first start giving to yourself the best to yourself, and then you can do better job for others. So whatever your job you are holding, the business you're holding, the product you are selling through your business, you have to be the best. To become best, you have to know yourself first, who you are, and then you have to start programming yourself how you can do a better service, how you can deliver uh your the best to help others. So I'm here to helping others through my goals, through the information I have learned. So I'm trying to help others now. So same with you can start doing that. First, start to give to yourself, means start programming yourself. Whatever you are good about your product or the business or the job you are doing, you have to become that person. You have to become how you're gonna do the best. Best mean whatever you're giving to the universe world, who you're selling the product, who you're dealing with your business, you have to do the best to them. And I mean, you can do that through your whatever the product or business you're doing. So for me, I'm helping here your personal goals and professional goals. So first I have to start helping myself first, then I can help others. So this is the only way to you can deliver the best service or give the best to others. First, you have to become that person, then you can do a really good job. So that is what you're gonna receive back. For me, I'm receiving all the time. Might not be who I'm delivering this lesson, but the universe, this is how the universe works. What you give, there's always gonna return back. From where you don't have to worry about from where. Sometimes I can give my example. For me, sometimes I go to shopping. Sometimes say I wanted to buy a clothes. Sometimes the clothes are so discounted and I get surprised. I mean, 60% off or 50% off. And if it's something is $100, I'm getting like for $40 or $30 the garment. So what I'm trying to say, what you are giving to the universe world, there's always gonna return back. So you do the best, whatever your product you're selling, whatever the business you're doing, or the job you're doing, you have to do the best. Doesn't matter. Don't expect anything returned back, because return is gonna be always gonna be returned back. Maybe might not be from same people. It might be from the universe world. This is how the whole universe works. So this is the reason I'm saying you have to know your laws. You have to know your own mind, how the mind works, how the universal laws works. So all you have to learn today, and the information I'm sharing with you have to do the best. That's what you have to do. Don't worry about the return back. So how much return you're gonna get back if you whatever you're giving your product or selling, or the information you're selling, or whatever the business you're doing, you have to do the best for whoever you're dealing with. So that's all I wanted to say today. What you give, you receive back. First, you have to give to your intellect mind, then for your subconscious mind, the action going to be according to that. So give a good information to your intellect mind, then subconscious mind. That is the programming, and then your action going to be according to. So whatever you're going to give to your mind and spirit, and this is what gonna come out of that. So that's all I wanted to say. Start giving to yourself first as your goals, and then take the action every single day, and start to feel good about yourself. Have a faith in yourself, have believing in yourself, do the best whatever you're doing, and definitely the return going to be back, definitely. So that's all I wanted to share with you. The law is working all the time. What we give we receive back is always going return going to be be according to what we give to the universe world. So you do the best and stop believing yourself, have faith in yourself, because we have infinite potential. Infinite potential is never runs out. It's always we can use how much we want to use and give to the universe world. And through our service, through our business, through our product, whatever we are selling, whatever business we are doing, we have to do the best. We have to deliver the best. Just like me, I'm delivering the best information I have learned. I'm sharing the same information with you people. It can help you. So please subscribe if you like the YouTube and leave your comments. Comments going to help me to improve. And if you do need a further help around your goals, personal goals, professional goals, this is what I do. And Thinking to Resolve going to help you to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube and subscribe and leaving the comment. And I appreciate that. And hopefully you're gonna give to the universe world what you wanna receive back. So only give the things to the universe world what you want to as your result. You want to see your result and what you expect. Thank you for letting me share the information with you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.